Hello gang, how you going? Skypilot here, welcome to my channel. Is that the iFlight Alpha? Sure is. I'm going to test out my new 454S graphite on the butt here and have a look at that cool DVR recording courtesy of the onboard DVR and the CADX camera. Plenty of information and previous flights unboxing of this unit, guys. Just check out my last videos up on the screen there. Otherwise I'm going to crack straight on in and get some footage going and have a scoot around this cool little unit. One of my favourites, not the favourite, but certainly one of them. Not too windy, let's get up in the sky. Simply place in your SD card, you'll see the red light flashing. That means your DVR is recording and you are good to go. .300 milliwatts. Yeah, a bit of an exploration whoop unit for sure, but more than capable of going freestyle should you wish to test the boundaries a bit and do some rolls and flips, etc. As you can see I'm doing now. However, this unit was more so designed for the cruising around exploration type work. Kick a quick goal there. A little bit of break up over here, which is normal for this unit. I won't attempt a scoreboard landing this time, as last time it didn't work out very well. Just do a speed pass so you can have a listen to this unit. Really nice to fly, guys, this thing is. And as you can see, if I'm not crashing it, it's quite easy to fly as well. Speed goal. Through we go. Let's just try for some exploration. I haven't actually been under the shed here. Normally it breaks up. However, I'm feeling lucky today. I'm going to see if I can get under here without it breaking up today. Oh no, there it goes. Oh, this could be risky. A little bit of pavement bounce there. Let's get out of here. Ah, not too bad actually. Push the chain. Onto the tennis courts. And a bit of bounce there. Have a quick game of tennis. Oh. Right, let's get sensible again. Before we run out of juice, just do some high-rise DVR sightseeing. They're looking really nice. Yeah, I'm a long way up there. Okay. Good windy up there too. See if I can spin around without drifting too far, as it's really hard to maintain your position when you're spinning stationary in a circle. Okay. 3-minute flight time on this 4S so far, that's pretty cool. Some close-up DVR recording of the lights, which is always good fun. And over into horse paddock. You see it. You see it for yourself, guys. 4.5 minutes flight time with this 4S. Pretty decent. Okay, low battery, land now. Let's go, guys. Car landing coming up. And to stop the DVR, I always make a habit of, just giving that center stack DVR button a push there, which is your stop start recording. You'll see your red light go to solid, which means safe to remove the SD and also safe to unplug the unit. Yeah, big 5 stars for me again. I love this thing. It's fairly new. Check out the links, guys. Lots of fun. What an awesome little fly, guys. Link down below, see where you can get some more information about this if you want to purchase it, or just general specs, etc. And I thank you again for stopping by, Skypilot. See you next video. Take it easy, guys. In the sky. Ciao, ciao. Bye for now.